Here it is, guys. Oh my god. So delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to Self Care Official. Welcome back to another video. Yes, guys, today we're gonna prepare fried chicken neck. That's right. And there is the price, guys. $112.52 here in Jamaica. Look at the weight, guys. 0.505 kilogram. Yes, look at it now. Very fresh, guys. Yes, chicken neck it is. Very fresh. So I'm gonna prepare this with um green banana. Yes, green banana and some pasta. That's right. Yeah, some pasta salad there. So let me tell you a little about chicken neck, guys. And there you can go over in the description section for more information. Right, guys? Look at it. Delicious chicken food. Not food, but delicious chicken neck, right? So here, guys, chicken neck is rich in collagen, yes, calcium, and phosphorus. The skin also has omega 3s and omega 6, which is great for helping inflammation in our body. Yes, getting out inflammation out of our body. You see how important chicken neck is, guys? Yes, such as joint pain and redness in the skin. So eating chicken neck here, guys, it is very healthy, right? Good to, move out inflammation of our body from our joints, right? Get rid of joint pains. Wow. So, guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Yes. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So, guys, I'm going to clean up this chicken foot with some vinegar and let you see the outcome. So, stay tuned, guys, right? Stay tuned. Here, guys, is our chicken neck all cleaned up. All the fats are taken away and already washed with vinegar. So I've gone ahead of time to done all of that. This is what I'm gonna do next. Grater some onion, ginger, sweet pepper. Yes, remember guys, it is fried chicken neck. Garlic as well gonna be grater. And here is my grater, right? So first I'm gonna do my season up with this one here. This season that I love to use, right? Season up on purpose. Yes. So I'm gonna put a little in there. Let's take out the knife. Yes. And I'm gonna put a little. That's it. Not too much rice, right? Gonna put a little salt. Yeah, a little salt there. Right? We're gonna put a little black pepper in it. Right? Then I'm gonna grate all these ground season on it. So see when I'm finished, guys. I'm gonna fry it. Right? Remember fried chicken. So see you when I'm doing that preparation. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Right? Guys, my chicken neck all seasoned and ready with the ginger, the garlic, the sweet pepper, and the onion and the powder season all ready. So to be floured. Yes, I'm gonna flour them into this flour here, and the oil is there already hot, ready here for them, right? So let me just take them out here, guys. There they are into flour. So I'm just gonna show you a few pieces. Then I'll move along. Right? Look at it. Look at them. Here in the pot now. Woo! Yes. Woo! That is it, guys. My chicken neck. Frying, guys. All flowers. So guys, I'm gonna come back with you. Right? Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna come back to show you guys the end product. Right? Thanks for watching. Here they are frying. So here is it, guys. Hot's all bubbling. Yeah. So this is my spaghetti, guys. Yes, we're going to make a spaghetti salad with these spaghetti. So my spaghetti is there bubbling, as well as my chicken neck is there frying. Look at them, guys. All golden. Look at them. Look at my chicken neck, guys. Succulent, succulent. Wow. Guys, you must try this recipe, right? You should try this recipe. So I'm gonna make spaghetti salad and it's gonna serve with banana. Right, guys? So stay tuned. Yes, stay tuned for the outcome. Yes, stay tuned for the end result. Right, guys? Delicious meal indeed. Delicious. Remember now, guys, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Here it is, guys. Oh my God. So delicious, guys. The finished product of our fried chicken neck. Guys, look at it. All goldenly fried. Fried chicken neck it is, along with our spaghetti salad consisting of tomato, cucumber, a little dash of black pepper there, onion and sweet pepper. Wow, look at it, colorful. And alongside is green banana. Delicious meal, guys. Yum, 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 guys. Let's dive in. Let's dig in. Delicious. Yes, guys, the salad there has in mayonnaise, guys. Yes, mayonnaise. So you have cucumber, tomato, a dash of black pepper, onion, sweet pepper, grated, and there it is with the spaghetti and the mayonnaise. Yes, look at it. Golden and delicious. Let's eat, guys. Yummy. Yummy to my tummy. Yummy. Enjoy.